Hi friends, welcome to CAD tutorials. Today I will define all the commands that are used in Sketch. So let's start. First we will take line. There are three types of line. First one is a simple line, second one is center line, and third one is midpoint line. So first we have to take any plane that we want to sketch. So like taking front plane and sketch on it. Now first see center line. Click on center line. This center line is only used for reference purposes. Okay, first check the infinite length. The first thing, if you are a starter here, so first make the center line to up to infinite length so that you can see the origin and you will make the sketch fully defined easily. This is the center line purpose. The next part is line. It is just a simple line. You can make it horizontal, vertical, or at any angle. It can be defined. Go to smart dimensions, just like it's 100 mm length. Now it is not defined because it can move like this and this side also. So to define it, it can move in any direction because it is not defined with respect to the origin or the center lines. So it can be defined by giving dimensions, like providing the height from the line, the center line, like it's 50, and providing now it can move in this direction. Now this up down direction is bound, so to bound this one also we have to define length between these 2 points, like it's also 50. Now click OK. Now see, it's fully defined here. It is not able to move in any direction, and the color is also black. Black color denotes the fully defined line or sketch. So now delete it. Now the third one is midpoint line. Select the midpoint line. This is used to make the line same in both the directions. Like we want to make a line from here to this side, and the other one will automatically create it like we want to make this. Okay, this one. This line can be used to save our time. If we will use the simple line to make these the line in both the directions, then first we have to make a line from here to here and then from here to here. To make 2 lines it will take some time. Okay, so to save this time we can use the midpoint line or okay, it can be defined by providing the dimensions as per you used in simple line, like it's 50 and like this is the center point of this midpoint line. From where we started the line, it will increase in both the direction of same length. Like see, this one is the full length is 100. If you want to measure from this point to this point, it is 50. Okay, Now the next thing is rectangle. The rectangles are of 5 types. You can see from here. First one is corner rectangle, second one is center rectangle, third one is 3-point corner rectangle, and 3-point center rectangle, and parallelogram. So let's take first corner rectangle. In this corner rectangle, as you can see in the figure here, the 2 corners are given. You can select any 2 corners and the rectangle will be created automatically. Like we want to create it from here, select first point will be this, and the second point you want up to any length. To make it fully defined, you have to provide the length and breadth of the rectangle, like it's 100 and it's 50. Okay, now it's fully defined. Fine. Now the next type of rectangle is center line. Here, as you can see in the figure, the first point will be the center and the second one will be the corner point. Like we are choosing the first one is center point, and it will increase in both the direction same, whatever your corner point will be, like this. Okay, this is the center rectangle. Now the third one is 3-point corner rectangle. In this rectangle type, select it. You can see 1, 2 and 3. The first one will be the starting point that you will take. Like we are starting from here, and like this one is the second point we want, and this one will be the third point. You will choose here or here, like here. Okay, this one. And the third one is 3-point center rectangle. In this there are 3 points given. First one will be the center point from where you will start, and second point will be the midpoint of the line, and the third one will be the corner point. Like see, this one is first, just this one, this type. Okay, this is just a mixture of center rectangle and corner rectangle. Okay, now the last one is parallelogram. See, there are 3 points. First are the on a straight line, and the third one point will be at any angle you want, like this one. You cannot create it with this rectangle because rectangle has straight lines without all the corner angles will be 90 degree in a rectangle, as you know. So to make this type of figure we have to use a parallelogram. Now the third thing is circle. Circle are of 2 types. The first one is simple circle and the second one is parametric circle. Simple circle is the circle that can be formed from just a radius, and the second type of circle, that is parameter circle, it can be obtained from 3 sides. We will select 3 points and it will create automatically a circle. This type of, I will show you a figure in which this type of circles can be used. Like we are making a triangle here, like this side is 100, this one is also 100, and the angle between these lines is 60 degree. Now it's fully defined. Let's just see, if you want to make a circle inside the triangle which will be tangent to all the three lines. Let's start from a simple circle. We cannot make this type. It's an equilateral triangle, so we can make in it with a simple circle. But if there is not equilateral triangle, then it is very difficult to make this type of figure or sketch with the help of simple circle. So to save our time, we will use parametric circle. We have to just choose the first side, second side and third side. See, it's automatically fully defined and tangent. Okay, now the next thing is slot. Here is the slot. Slot is of four types: straight slot, centerpoint straight slot, 3-point arc slot and centerpoint arc slot. First I am making center lines. Now see, first I am taking straight slot. Like we want to cut a slot, then straight slot means we have given 2 points. We have to just choose the 2 points up to which we want to make a slot, and the radii of the circle which up to which we want to cut, and it can be defined by just giving this length, like we are giving it 100, and the radii of the circle, semicircle, like it's 10. Yeah, see, it is not defined because let's make a relation here. See, it's fully defined just by giving this length and this semicircle radii. Okay, now the next type of slot is Centrepointe straight slot. In this we have given a center point, and up if we will increase like 50 to this side, then other side will also be 50. It's just like a mirror image. A mirror image will create to other side, and same as straight slot. Third one is 3-point arc slot. We want to create an slot in some arc type here, so we have to choose one center point. First we will choose that point from where we start, and the second will be the first and second will be the corner parts, and third will be the point up to which we want to bend the, or we want to create a radii, and then we will make some space. Now the next one is Centerpointe arc slot. In this, first point will be the center point of the circle, and the second point just like arc. Yeah, simple. Now the next thing is arc. Arc is of three types. First one is Centrepointe arc, second one is tangent arc, third one is 3-point arc. Let's take Centrepointe arc. In this we have to choose, first point will be the center point of the arc, and the other 2 points will be the point up to which we want to create arc, like this. The next type is tangent arc. This type of arc is generally used in the figure I will make it. Let's again. We use this type of arc in making the tangent arc is used in this type of figure. If you want to make this type figure, it will get automatically tangent to the lines or the points which we want or which we will choose. Like this is used to save our time. Like let's check. First we will make a circle here, just a simple circle. Now we will add 2 relations here and here of tangency, then we will trim this one. It will take a lot of time. To save the time, we will use the tangent arc. Okay. Now the next type of arc is 3-point arc. Take 3-point arc. In this arc, first we will choose the corner points, and the third one will define the radii of the arc. Let's take this one and this one, and the third point will define the radii of arc, like this. Okay. Now the next thing is polygon. This is the polygon command. Like we want share 12 sides in the figure. See, it will automatically create 12 sides, and it can just be defined by providing the dia of this inscribed circle. Let's take it 100 and length of this one. Okay. Now the next thing is spline. Spline is of three types: spline, style spline, and equation driven spline. The basically use is spline. This type of used in making the car bodies, etc. These are flexible curves to make a finish like this. These are flexible curves, and these provide a smooth surface. These are used to provide a smooth surface. Okay. Now the next thing is ellipse. This one is simple ellipse. We just have to provide two larger radii and smaller radii. And the second type is partial ellipse. Up to this, let's take from start. Select partial ellipse. In this type of ellipse, we create a ellipse for some space. Like first choose, click on the center point, provide the larger dia or any smaller dia, and then the other one, and then it is the circumference of the ellipse to which we want to create. Click on the point like this. Yeah. Okay. Now here are the two commands, sketch fillet and sketch chamfer. Sketch fillet is the circular corner, is used to make the corner point some circular finish, and the chamfer is used to create some, to remove the, like see, like if we are making a rectangle, in fillet, click on the point, corner point you want to make a fillet, and just give the radii of the circle which will be here, and this circle will be automatically tangent to this line and this line. Okay, click this surface. And the chamfer is, give it, click on the corner point, and here will automatically create. If you want equal distance, then you can the distance from here to here and here to this line will be equal. But if you these are of two types, angle distance and distance. In angle distance you can give any angle, like here you can provide any angle, and distance equal distance or unequal distance, like we want here 20. Okay, this time. Now the trim command, click on the trim, it's power trim. First see the trim to closest, click on it, and it will remove the line or the sketch up to next intersect point. Like in this, it will, if you will click here, it will only remove this up to next. And in power trim, just left click and go to that place you want to remove up to next intersection point, like go here, 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 here. Okay. Yes, next thing is convert entity. It is used to make the same image to any other plane. Okay, it is basically used in, commonly used in 3D. Okay, now the next thing is offset entities. Click on offset entities. Like we want to make offset for this, just click on it. Here you can see the bidirectional is reverse, it will change the new figure that will be obtained from outward or inward. You can change it from here, like bidirectional in both the directions if you want, in both the directions, and click OK. And here you can give the space dimension, like this 10 mm is from here to here and here to here. You can increase or decrease it and just click here. Let's see. Okay, and the next one is mirror entities. Click mirror entities. First one is you have to select the entities you want to mirror, like you want to mirror this, and this. And the second one is you have to choose the mirror about, like you will choose this. You can't see here because let's do it again. Let's make one more center line here. So vertical. Now go to mirror entities, and here you will select the entities to mirror, and the sketch you want to mirror, like this, and this. You can choose anything and mirror. Click on mirror about. It means the line about which you want to mirror. Like if you will choose this, then it will create a image from the at a distance equal to the object from that line, and click OK. See, now the linear sketch pattern and circular sketch pattern, these are used to make holes. Like if you want to see, let's make a circle here. It is of 100 mm dia. First make a center line here to this point. Let's make a one more circle here. Give it a dimension, like I'm giving it 10 mm. Like you want to create this type of circles, number of circles. If you want to like make 20 circles of this type on the circumference of this larger circle, then one thing is that one method is to make different center lines and make more circles, and the other option is go to the linear sketch. First one is circular sketch pattern. Click here, and it is the now here you will choose the number of objects you want. Like we want 20 and click OK. Here the circles are obtained. Okay, now delete it. Now let's go to relations. Here you can add some relations. Here you when you will select some entities or the lines, like first we will make it two lines, this and this and like. Now go to add relations. When you will select any lines, more than one or single line also, in single line it will give horizontal, vertical and fixed only, and if you will choose two lines, then it will give all the probabilistic relations that can be formed here. You can choose any of these. Okay, so it's all about sketch commands. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and don't forget to like our video, subscribe our channel and share it. Thank you.